Imagine risking it all on Shark Tank, only to walk away with nothing.
I'm not going to take the journey with you.
I don't see the business right now. I'm out.
Back in 2016, Renaldo Webb walked into the Shark Tank with his dog, Winston. He had a big idea: fresh, healthy food made just for dogs. His company, PetPlate, would cook real meals for pets and deliver them to people's homes. The food was so clean that even a human could eat it. Renaldo asked the sharks for $100,000 in exchange for 10% of his business. He believed dogs should eat better, just like people. He told the sharks that many pets were getting sick. Some were overweight, some had diabetes, and even cancer because of bad diets. The sharks liked Renaldo and thought the idea was interesting. But in the end, none of the sharks made a deal. They worried that running a fresh pet food company would be too hard and cost too much. But that didn't stop Renaldo. Right after the show aired, sales went up fast. Pet owners loved the idea. In just 1 year, PetPlate made over $100,000. Renaldo had to cook thousands of pounds of dog food and move into a bigger kitchen. By 2019, PetPlate was selling thousands of meals each month. In 2021, a company called Pendulum invested $19 million. By 2023, PetPlate had sold over 25 million meals in the U.S. Today, Renaldo's dream is real. Now that's a true business story. Would you invest in PetPlate?